The hill coming down here is very steep, and we're both wondering how it's going to go getting out of here. We are at Austin Lake Campground, kind of 20-30 minutes from Pittsburgh, I think we are.
Yeah, well,
and
we're
really
on the
close to Virginia,
West Virginia border. We're along the Ohio River.
This is a really unique campground.
Super unique, so cute. We are nestled away in the hills of Ohio. We are down here.
Yeah, we are really, the hill coming down here is very steep, and we're both wondering how it's going to go getting out of here. It is a dramatic
it's
incline.
A drop.
Yeah,
it's a drop and bumps, so it's gonna be a bumpy ride.
So
for sure,
this place was really unique.
Oh my gosh!
My grandma had actually recommended and said it's a weird place, but it's really fun. And I'm like, what? What does that even mean? It is a really weird place.
There's dinosaurs. There's
lots
trinkets.
of Bigfoot.
Bigfoot is here.
I think I described it best yesterday. If that store at the mall that has all the weird swords and trinkets and weird things, if that was a campground, it would be this place.
Or if you've ever been to the Gay Dolphin in South Carolina,
yeah,
it's this place.
It's this place.
It's so cool though. It's so nestled away. It actually makes you feel like you're camping aside from all the other campgrounds or campers.
And speaking of nestled away in the woods, they make it clear on their site, come here to have fun and disconnect, because there is
there's no service.
No cell phone service, and that is 100% true. We got to the bottom of the hill, zero zip zilch. They do have in-park Wi-Fi, and they do say that not all spots have it, which, based on what I've seen around the park, it's because they have a bunch of repeaters and different things essentially just blasting Wi-Fi out. However, the spots we were in the red carpet area, Wi-Fi was phenomenal.
Perfect.
We came here knowing we weren't going to have anything, downloaded a bunch of offline stuff to watch, and the Wi-Fi was great, streaming great.
It worked really well.
Honestly, for someone saying we have no service here and the Wi-Fi is spotty, look at my arm shaking. It's probably some of the best Wi-Fi we've had at a campground.
Yeah,
I could easily work here from the spot we're in. That being said, again, they said not everywhere has coverage, so.
But even then, our neighbors next door here, he seemed to.
Well, he said last night the Wi-Fi wasn't working for him, and I don't know. I work in IT, so the Wi-Fi never works for anyone,
Hello, IT? Have you tried turning it off and on again? Oh, okay, well, the button on the side, is it glowing? Yeah, you need to turn it on.
Your biceps are getting big.
Yeah, from holding the camera. Yeah. Small.
But in any case, this place is really cool, and especially in the summertime, this is the place to be.
Yeah.
They have huge inflatable water activities. There's so much to do. Lots of different playgrounds. This would definitely be a fun place to be in the summer.
Yeah, and we've never been here. I'm kind of bummed we didn't come a little bit later because there is so many trees. This is tree covered. This would be a great place for fall.
For fall,
some changing
I don't know
colors.
when they close though, so we'd have to look at that. But in the fall time, this place would be beautiful because it's just trees all over the place, and it would be beautiful.
To wrap this up, Austin Lake Campground in southern Ohio. It is weird, it's unique. Everyone's been friendly. It is a large, beautiful campground, and I would,
ton of spots.
As we do with most places, highly recommend it.
We really
we give that badge out a lot.
Yeah, we do, because honestly, we haven't found a spot that's been bad.
No, we've enjoyed everywhere we go.
We enjoy everywhere we go, so I would definitely come back here.
Check it out. if this footage has been found and we're long gone, it's because we weren't able to get our camper up the hill.
Or Bigfoot got us.
Or Bigfoot got us.